Welcome to this series of the worst mistakes that you can make with your crypto. Today we are talking about going all in. Yes, that might sound crazy from a YouTube channel called Crypto Tips, which we've been running since 2016. And especially for those of you who are in our CT club, you know that we are classically irresponsibly long on Bitcoin and we have gone heavy in crypto. And that might be the case for you and it might be great. But here are 3 reasons why that would not be a good decision for you. First of all, you can't afford the risk of failure. If you go and put your entire net worth, your entire life savings, if you put all of that worth into cryptocurrencies in general, or even one cryptocurrency in particular, what you're doing is you aren't hedging your bets, you aren't mitigating risk, and you are letting yourself be far more vulnerable to not being able to handle price volatility, which crypto is famous for. If you're going to go all in on crypto and you can't handle the loss of failure, let's say maybe you're of the older generation, you don't have the time that it would take to make back any of those funds, or if you have a lot of other responsibilities and it's just not financially responsible for you to do so, don't go all in. Another reason you shouldn't go all in on crypto if you're not willing to learn how to self-custody. If you're going to put your entire net worth into an investment and then ultimately trust a third party to store it for you, that is incredibly irresponsible and putting far too much trust into a system that has failed millions of people year after year. And the third reason why is, again, the price volatility of cryptocurrencies. We often talk about dollar cost averaging because it is the most stress-free way to gain exposure to a cryptocurrency, especially let's say Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are not going anywhere in my opinion. And if you can't handle the price volatility, there's 2 scenarios that you will hurt from. Number 1, you're probably going to buy the top of the market, or you're probably going to sell the bottom of the market. You're going to see prices just dropping and dropping and dropping, and that volatility is just too much for you to handle. You're going to be stressed out, you're going to be panicking, you're going to be making a very emotional decision of your investments, and that's never the state of mind that you want to be in. So the people who can't handle volatility most likely are the ones, again, that don't know anything about crypto. They've just gone all in and they're seeing prices drop, they can't handle it, they sell. And that's when the smart money is buying, and vice versa. They're buying finally when the prices are topping out, and that's when, again, the smart money are actually selling and taking profits. So if you're going all in on crypto and you're not prepared for that type of pressure, you could open yourself up to a lot more mistakes that'll cost you a lot of crypto, and that or you know, profits, value, sleep, relationships, could be a lot of bad things. Anyway, these are all easily avoided. If you want to know what we are doing with our cryptocurrencies and why, and how we keep a cool head, and let's be honest, we've retired pretty early at an early age. If you want to know how we do this, you got to check us out at the CT Club. A link for it is down below in the video description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.